It is quite evident that certain class of people, numbering a few thousands, could not extract their favors from the left front government in their conventional way, and they started canards against left front through various media outlets. If the left front devastated West Bengal, how come West Bengal rose from 10th position in GDP in the 70s to 3rd position during the period 2001-2004? How come 40% of new manufacturing jobs created in India between 2004 and 2011 were generated under the left front rule? Left front stressed on development of small and medium industries that generate more employment. It implemented land reforms best among all states, resulting in 3.1% growth in agriculture in 2009-10, when the national average was 2.1%. Rice production was highest in the country, 16% of all India production. It was first amongst all states in vegetable production. Rural development reduced population migration from rural to urban. Planning Commission report said, rural non-farm employment in West Bengal has been growing in size. Especially rural industries are occupying greater share in employment. No other state in India is comparable to West Bengal as regards the growth of rural enterprises at such a scale. Rural development declined rural poverty from 73% in 1974 to 28% in 2005. The report continued, there has been secular decline in rural poverty in the state during the last 2 decades. An interstate comparison would tell us the magnitude of the growth of alternative employment opportunities in rural West Bengal. On the human development front, death rate fell to 6.2 per thousand, lowest among all major states. Decline in infant mortality was the second best in India. Population growth rate fell to 1.39%, fourth best in the country. Literacy rate rose to 76%, fifth highest among major states. It was not rhetoric that made Jyoti Basu the most popular leader among the masses. People's faith in the left front continued for 7 consecutive times with absolute majority, a record in India. Not only one must call a spade, but you must also acknowledge a spade as a spade. With its achievements in the land reform sector, resilient agriculture, food security, industrial development, workers' social security, human development. If the left front is not that bad as being portrayed by certain forces, in whose interest has the left front been wiped out of the state of West Bengal? Is this the end of the left? Or is there any chance of its revival?